Obre mafinke, obre mafinka. Obre mafinke, obre mafinka. Dane kwa ban mo broni bisa oden. Abre waso do banyo. Obre mafinke, obre mafinka. Obre mafinke, obre mafinka. Dane kwa ban mo broni bisa oden. Abre waso do banyo. Fanke diaba. Wasi hena yanko. Wasi hena yamba. Obreni kwese jede ai okunyo amankweti okunyo obre mafenka dane babre moni bisoda abre wasudo bayo bankidiaba wasina yanko wasina yamba obreni kwese jede ai okunyo amankweti okunyo. One of the divine drummers in Ghana, Cape Coast. I have my office at the Cape Coast Castle, and I teach or I learn the youth our traditional music, dance, and history of Cape Coast. I would like to exhibit some of the talents that I have acquired since my childhood. All those talents were learned from the older people who are no more in existence. So my aim is to impact this knowledge to up and coming musicians, dancers, and anybody who's ready or who has the interest in learning our traditional music, dance, and history. I'm here to give you Adzewa from the central region. We have Adzewa for the Ashanti region and Adzewa purposely for central region. With the Adzewa, we have songs which talks about our life, our general life. Anything that you do or anything that you are doing and it needs motivation or encouragement, we use songs to praise you. And also anything that you do that will bring misfortune, which is very bad, we will try to educate you or voice out so that you refrain from that specific act that will tarnish the image of you, your family, and the region. To learn more about it, you can contact us, Chirampon Traditionals. We have our office card time. Okay, so listen to another song from Adzewa. This tune introduces us as people from Cape Coast, Ugwa, Uguafu, it introduces us as Cape Coasters. We play the Adzewa at Cape Coast, we play it at Elmina. The Winnipeg people also play. I mean, all the Fanti states play this kind of musical type left by our ancestors. We have more and more. And right now, this is the first episode. We will continue to bring on the other drums that we used to play. But now we have come to a stage where we should try to modernize it, add something to it. They left this with us, and we have to improve it, put something on it to make it a bit attractive and nicer. Thank you, and we will meet again to continue. Good.